everyone. I am Shravani Gaikwad. So, how's going on? Everything. I think everything is going on fine because I hope everything is going on fine because this condition is like sitting at home and just enjoying. We just have to sit at home, right? So, starting with my session, I just wanted to tell you that today when I was reading my younger brother's book, I just passed with a line, a proverb, a real thought, and that is health is wealth. And I was just thinking of this thought, and then I came with a solution that seriously, now people can know that this thought is very, very, very much important. Okay, so I know you are not at all understanding with this, or you can understand, but I'll just explain you. So, why health is wealth? First of all, from childhood, we had learned this proverb. We are revising it. This proverb has passed from our eyes so many times. But for that time, we just paid attention to that and we just left over as it is. We just not given, means I also did not given any importance to that. Till now, means except this situation, corona situation, till now, people, why? First of all, a question is why people get sick. If people are having a symptom, for example, a person is having a symptom of cough, yeah, little also cough, so he just have to go to doctor. And if we go to doctor, there will be no again many symptoms and he will be not sick. People just wait to watch that how symptoms occur and they feel sick and then they go to take the medicines. This is right now not, but till now it is going on. But seriously, I am telling, if you paid attention to one little symptom also, you will not be sick. No one will be sick, right? So I just wanted to tell you in this session that please pay attention to your body. Your body is your property. Everyone has money in their life, everyone has many things in their life, but the main thing is our body. We say that my family is my property, my mother, my father, everything is property. I believe I also say that, but right now people have to understand the situation that our life is our property, but like that only our body is our property, our health is our wealth. Because just small particle, very tiny microorganism is giving a death to a full person. Yeah, this tiny particle is giving a death to a full person. Just this tiny particle can destroy person. Yeah, just this tiny particle can do anything. So why we should not take care? Why we are just ignoring this situation? I just wanted to ask this question. Many things are occurring, many news are coming in on TV that there are this much patients right now. The numbers are getting increased of corona patients, and then also people are living together. There means crowd. They are making crowds. When I see in many places this condition is going on, and then also people are doing crowd. Okay, you do crowd. Okay, come together, but use mask. That also they are not doing. Yeah, it's like I'll tell you one joke. Today one song is trending. Okay, there is one song trending, and when our friend ask after 10 days, do you hear this song? He's saying, I heard 10 days ago only when it was trending. Now it is old. And in this way only people now says, now corona is old fashioned it is. Yeah, now we can go anywhere. Not like that. Our health, our life, first of all, God has offered just one life to us. One life of a man, woman, and each he has made everything. But there is one, we just have to believe that life is offered just one time and we have to enjoy it. And therefore I just wanted to tell you that please pay attention to your health. Your health is everything for us. Your health is everything for you. For me, my health is so much valuable, and therefore in this condition I have learned many things, that we have to pay attention to our health. And this condition, one more thing people has known, that we have to do hard work. Hard work only can give us sweet fruit. Yeah. So I just wanted to tell in this session that health is wealth. Therefore, pay attention to your health. In this corona condition, many things people has known many things. Except health also, many things people are knowing. People know that we have to stay at home. We cannot go outside. And the main thing is, men are doing their beard at home. This is very good. And the main thing is, the women who are going to offices, they are knowing how our maid works in our house. Everyone not, but some of the people keep maid, a servant in the house. But now no one is coming to anyone's house, and therefore women are also knowing that what is work of home. Yeah, I know every woman do work. I also do a lot of work. I help my mother so much. But I just wanted to tell that in this condition, many new things came up. Many new things came up. But I just wanted to end with this session just saying that our health is everything for us. Our health is most important part, because of our body. If our body is fine, we are fine. If we are fine, we can enjoy the life beautifully. Right? We can fulfill our dreams just when we keep our health proper. Therefore, I just wanted to tell you that please follow take all the precautions in this condition which are given. Then follow all the rules daily, in the morning, evening and night, 3 times daily. Please drink hot water. Third thing is, at night you can take a glass of milk, and you can put some turmeric, 1 spoon turmeric in it, and you can drink it, because it is good for our immunity. Keep your immunity good, be healthy, be happy, and be safe. Stay at home, stop gathering, and then use mask. If it is very important, then only go out of the home. Bye bye, take care. And again,